Welcome guys, Cream Boss back again with another reaction video. Today check out Megan Thee Stallion Bitch official music video. I think I got this a good while now to react to, but I haven't reacted to a video on this channel for a while. So I'm gonna start off with a Megan Thee Stallion. Oh, she's playing herself. Dude, I'm not gonna lie, bruh. Megan Thee Stallion is hot. She's pretty sexy, but my opinion, I prefer feminine female, like girly females, because it's kind of to me a female that act like a man or like too masculine. That's kind of weird to me, you know. Anyway, you know you can't control me, baby. You need a real one in your life. The bitches ain't gonna give it to you, right? I'd rather be your B-I-T-C-H, cause that's what you gon' call me when I'm tripping anyway. You know you can't control me, baby. You need a real one in your life. The bitches ain't gonna give it to you, right? Dude, I just forgot. I wonder if she live in the gym or something, bro. I don't know, bro. Ooh, listen, you know what? And that's the next thing too. Like, you want me to with the whole come looking when I find her. I don't know, bruh. I don't know. I don't know. But as I said, Megan Thee Stallion, keep her body looking good, bruh. I don't know if she live in the gym or what, bruh. But damn, she look toned as hell. Ooh. Dude, the amount of costume change in this video, the amount of costume change, and every suit does look sick, especially the fur one. I really love this one with the glasses, so good, and the green one too, the green fur when she was in the vehicle. I ain't finna argue about twerking. Since you wanna test some waters, might as well jump in with both of you. And you see me, better act like you don't know me. If you think it's shit, ooh, I was just gonna say something, but I'm not, but I gotta say it. You know what, I'm just realizing that the girls in the box aren't even dancing. Only Megan Thee Stallion. Wait, I want to make sure, because I don't really see them dancing. They're just standing there. Look, they're not dancing. I just realized it, that they're not dancing. Not gonna lie, man, Megan Thee Stallion have a nice assets. She got very good access. I'm not gonna lie. Beat it. Megan Thee Stallion is a fine ass black empress. You see me? But you know, man, she's toned as hell. I'm not gonna lie, she got a fine. But anyway, guys, this is the end of the video. Peace out. Enough love.